NCPA is associated with the upper crust. It's all the affluent people, it's the haves, the privileged, who can have access to such an auditorium.
Well, without wanting to be extraordinarily, shall we say, boastful or whatever word you want to use, we believe it's the best performing arts center in India. This is a stage which is almost as large as the Royal Opera House stage. And it's got a magnificent foyer. The staircase that you see, it's quite magnificent. It was made in Italy.
Wow! Let's go and enjoy that. Yay! This is our home life with the sound of music, with songs they have sung for 1,000 years.
We do insist on a certain standard.
In our toilet, we have to open the tap, and that in this toilet, we have to do like this downstairs, and then water will come.
Flush it.
Yes. Yeah. Flushing the water.
The Indian audience is seeing not a choir of affluent children, which is always taking place at NCPA. Bombay Chamber Orchestra is the first time presenting different children.